Hey guys, good evening everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Miss JD for another episode of our daily stock market insights. And in this video, I am going to talk about another interesting stock right now because it has a very interesting setup. Okay, so if this is the type of video you want to watch every single day, I do review stocks in the Philippine market and in the US markets once in a while, and also cryptocurrency once in a while. So if you like these videos, if you are starting your journey in the stock market, I think this is the channel for you. I hope I can be of I can be of good add value to your journey. Now, in this video, I will talk about APL because it is giving us very interesting setup. And just a disclaimer, my views here are based on my profile. I am more of a position trader and mid to long term holder of the stocks I engage in. Okay, so APL, just for the record, this is also in my portfolio, but previously I'm not recommending it yet. But right now, I think it's already giving us some good signs to start engaging in. And the reason for saying that is because of how it performed today. So notice here we had a solid green, which is a 7.87% increase in just one day. And another sign that I can say that this is already a good to enter stock because you we have already triggered a one. We've triggered the upper Bollinger Band and we are already manifesting a breakout of the downtrend channel. Notice previously, if you are to let me just change the color. Okay, let me just change that. All right, so that is so notice this one. Each time the stock bounces previously, right? It is not creating, or it is creating some higher lows. It started here, and then we bounced the most that it achieved was, of course, this level. So if you draw a straight line there, it is respecting that downtrend channel or resistance in a downtrend. But right now we are starting to trigger that. I think three-fourths of the body of the candlestick today is already uh, crossing the MA20 line, which is really good. At the same time, we're triggering the upper band. Plus, of course, you had some foreign buying over here. And with this, I can say that there is a big chance that there will be a follow through in the days to come, because look at that. We've been on a very constricted Bollinger Band for the past how many days now, and of course from a downtrend channel. Uh, and another thing to take note of, this increase in the volume is also something good to to monitor. Okay, so that means when it increased in the price, there's good volume. That means it's not just a pump and dump thing. Okay, so like if you are to compare it, this one over here, you had some greens, right? But there isn't much volume. That's why it wasn't really sustained in terms of growth. In terms of increase in the price. Look at this, green, but no volume. That's why it continued to decline. So really interesting to look forward or monitor this stock. I'm not sure if you want to get in now or you want to wait for more greens, but I think the best entry here is, let us say, tomorrow, but we don't know if the market will give us a chance for some fluctuations. But the best entry here is, at any time there is an opportunity when the traders take profit and the price reaches back around the point 18, that will be a much better entry. But overall, if you're a long-term holder or mid to long-term holder of APL, this is already a very good haggle price. So point 18, that's our support. Now, where is our next resistance? The next one I can see at the moment, but we really don't have any timeline here. It's still the market who will dictate that. Next level would be around the point 23 level. So in some occasions, right, uh, it takes several weeks or even months for a decline to happen, and it only takes a few days to recover that amount. So who knows? It could even just take 2 to 3 days and go back to the point 23 area. So that's something we can look forward to. But for now, if let's say you enter around point 18 and you exit at around point 23, that's already a good 26% gain on your side. So still your call. APL is more into offshore mining. Okay, so if you wanna know more about this company, you can go ahead and check out the news section. There are disclosures here, and I also like sometimes what I read in the social media feed of Instagrams, but do not just solely focus on whatever they mention there, because sometimes it becomes too noisy when these people have already entered or already have a position, and they start hyping up so that the price will go up, not realizing that these people who are actively hyping the stock up is already in a position. They've already entered at a lower level. So until such time the newbies, you know, uh, it a newbie recognizes it, or we capture the attention of the new traders or investors, by that time price is already on the high side. Okay, so I appreciate those commentaries and things that we mentioned in the social media feed, but guys, take the time to also study, and videos like this, you can. Okay, I'm not the only person in YouTube who does this. There are a lot of people who are already um, very enthusiastic about sharing these information in YouTube, so you can just locate them. But again, we all have different profiles, right? What can work for me may not work for you. So I think it's really worth it to really take the time in understanding your profile before you start engaging. Okay, so again, my outlook is based on uh, a profile who is more of a position trader and a mid to long term holder. Okay, so that is it, guys. Catch my next video. I'm currently studying these stocks, and I try to do this on a per stock level so that you get to hear what you want to hear right away. You don't have to wait for a 20-minute video to get the insights for your stock. Okay, so I hope this works for you. Let me know your thoughts. Feel free to drop a comment or even request so I can create a video for you. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and bye bye.